Young Isaac Watts found the music in his church sadly lacking, and his father challenged him to create something better. Isaac did. His hymn, "When I Survey the Wondrous Cross," has been called the greatest in the English language and has been translated into many other languages. Watts' worshipful third verse ushers us into the presence of Christ at the crucifixion. The crucifixion Watts describes so elegantly stands as the history's most awful moment. We will pause and stand with those around the cross. The Son of God strains for breath, healed by crude spikes driven through his flesh. After tortured hours, a supernatural darkness descends. Finally, mercifully, the Lord of the universe dismisses his anxious spirit. An earthquake rattles the landscape. Back in the city, the thick temple curtain rips in half. Graves open, and dead bodies resurrected, walking about in the city. These events compels the centurion who crucified Jesus to say, "Surely he was the Son of God." The cross reorders all values and cancel all vanities. Sees the poem foundation in commenting on Watts' poem. Love so amazing, so divine, demands my soul, my life, my all. Another day, another life lesson.